Enokem Agrovet.
Nabante.
Obo tuwa bwanzi no obo gotoka.
Tambuli chichonsi pi no chire.
Yombo mintu.
Ngaiba gotoka.
Kwanda maya.
Bosongo yeto mata.
Bosongo nsa.
Njena chire ayemo mongina malisa. Njetigama na kuchikora kuri yoko chombe asenge ncho. Chombe chito na anyo ama yoko nongo ya nyarabu. Enokem.
Minyoka. Anga waikire.
Sokere kega umugaka.
Gatimbu yamono sana. Umugaka misati. Onde tanali obo tubwechi insaga.
Tindaba tekonyo. Chiabo. Eri peinene.
Raisi.
Bwana mubuko.
Ngono nchana bongo nyara kogora.
Aye bakwa afford.
Omugaka misati ndetanali spinach. Ingomano lira baliane.
Wasa kutora wasi ende sinali chinsaka chao chiangire gayiga. Ira baba gopima. Bako tingi kifanya kusime kworo. Wabeko ibintu byakoraki. Yasa seria.
Kakinte gaminyoke. Whatever Enokem Agrovet. Omugaka misati. Onde tanali spinach. Okorobosongo togoita bwango minyoka chogonsa.
Namaine ayirira natarira eduka ya Enokem imeyomo cyobosongo elikwa enyorera amaryogo yo gusyalira bimeri endagira neti supplement chetugo amaryogo yo gusyalira ekenyambi chimbusuro amoyo ebicucu byogotuga egatia yanda mange naboko banyora imeyomo cyokisi Kenyoro Farmers Cooperative Society eyirange na Market Plaza Goshe naboko banyora opposite Shell Petrol Station eyokali ya Karukiru Falcon Petrol Station bono niko bachakira urusagi rwaborondorogia imiye chinsamo chiri cha yogo angena yogo primary wigo naboko bakira eshimi Enokem Agrovet, one harvest at a time.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mwanchumu ligana bono twerina sentunde ya kabere gajara gusanga munaye tokuwa na munaye buna botambili tukule Jumamosi eke umbu Jumamosi mwanchumu ligerelia na mange turamulekira se maragoba ya bono litukeliga wono stali kechige 25 mutinyo gatano egratonya kuligerelia mange asiri tukubune ligato sanga munaye nyirabona bakondra gotobwatia sensemelia ye mtandao Facebook gatchanda buna Ndizi TV News digital tole live nabega nsema ya YouTube Ndizi TV News niko toro ya masemo mwanchumu ligerelia elibono nyale kumanya litocho gotwara ase maragoba ya bono nyirabona abageni bane no ndra borovuga igase litukuri rero litukiye weekend yaeta tolitera buna tukere na borovuga tsange na borovuga manga na montrigere ligoro yobora ibwa basaye nabega na manga abereka okolekana muno chinseme chiga Kenya ko mwancho muligeria ndo murekere siasa kurenseme yonse ko chakere world we kanseme ye counter nabega ne sabari yo murebwense sensemelia ya America mwancho mulengati yari tocho kumulekera se margoba yabono terebiro bitere bitambe tigacha kurwa sensemelia nde yokobo kwane libono tumanye ngotonera se studio libono tumago chake gambo nembaka ase margoba yabono karibu sana
mbiya mono nche ngorokwa Amos Gekonge Nsongo Musai kurunyaka wodi ando wodi chikura
chikaki yake chikurangwa politiko chiake take okay tali mangana ntobatoma gani onde nseme kama nchumona boko imanyikania serieta ire wantu mago chaka enogo ase margoba yabono
mbiya mono moraria abantu bonsi amashabiki onsi Ndizi TV ko bakwani se margoba ya lero mbiya mole Nchasa marieta nkoro kwa Brian Ogoro gose Ogoro mtetezi Seitoni gere siare Kenyoro gya siara se familia omugaka George Ogoro nyagosira right. Na Rebecca Mora se ward ya Nyakoe ward kitutu cha South Kisii County.
Ogoro mtetezi unatetea nini?
Haki za wanyonge.
Haki za wanyonge. Yeah. Tali mangano mwanchu mulikire bono asinge nchichi nsaniza tokoba bango sana tunero kumulikira manga musingo chaka mwanango abodi chikura chikaki yake. Asawa chori bwa ne alinge ntunde ntangani kuligia ikiroko kyoborai
kabisa and it was 2022 na tendo MCS Nyakoe ward asaba ntu badenge 13
asaba ntu 13
tsaye kujikiro
na kwa lengo mokepi asaba sai wande mbalengo nayo mokepi
lakini lende ndimu wananchi na wao zibanda na kanine usini ngana na wao all that was frustrated by part of the supporters buna basaya bangi ibayingirita sabase asinja basimba bwado usibwe kordiki tieto and without of expectation ngabona lende no moke mate tubwate imbugete mno mugusi mundra bakuri no mubiri batega no mukijanye keneke
oyo tarabukora
Adwa na ali people. Wala oli people acha familia yebori. Mugabunye koruo. Na bortirinde bakora mutiga. Abasa banga na wachete
igoro jenge kiagere toteire tobochori oteire chikura 2022
tete kia treji besa ni bochori obotinagwa ndu ta ne besa besa njange
ebesa yakete igo kugamba igo tore besa
ai bagudu besa tata injaje nyora tore besa no nyore support no especially n'abasa yawe ngane mbago support ikiadi like posters abasa yabangi zejiya bakaraire abasa bano bari bedema Vinyaroma, ate bamindu mundu tutosha. Wana basa bakwingira sabaka, wana ko na kintu cyakora.
Tari mangana ngo gamba turamange hasenseme yobora bono mtetezi wate bana mtetezi twarre bikore binga byo kolekana sema ya nyakawe buna bono buyimbwa kolekana nchiduka isato na nde bicha twarra garia umukagero umonene no musai. Ngiye ko twarra basai bakwe batena samangana yobasari mono. Anase wodi ya nyakawe so buyibwa kolekana igoro. Tutukobokia lero.
Igere gento kyo gokumye sana na inde disappointment aseke korigia ito ekere gutokanga na inde ebikoro biri bya gakoriru kurukare iko bigendrete anene mono asensemo y'abasaye inchekere ngorigererio moraria ekige kogera abasaye nabwo bakubwaterani gwase ebintu bunebi amario yo gotindi airire meri sana ase moso ase ward ya ito na inde niga basa bange recruits ko sama kurutu ababanya abana bakeba abeire recruited ese influence yakinire mono through amagana buna chikadi amagana buna ebintu emechiese yo ye kwerende ye chisimi mbali
nyago amagaba bali avieta
mbale bakona avieta into kunebyo but all this igo ba brought up because of unemployment.
All right.
Basaye baito tibabu atigasi bono nyoranga nonyena basonge bagotebanga an idle mind or the idle mind is evil, is the powerhouse.
Igobone kerega seta ya the option no koiba
bono true ama oko sama adili so kore kerere gukuya abange nigo bakoranga that's the only option ogotambo kobogimo bono yabaireranga bakorira mangana ngabunayo but it's quite unfortunate and I apologize on behalf of Abasae kogera bono ni intwetora Abasae twarorokirie bichere mbegu siengi mana Kenya ngima but I'm very sure the security agencies will work on it bareta abantu on board elinde elio ba serve as an example na inde bono igo ere changamoto saba aba raibaito banyare koreta chi initiative chirichiko ba chiorokereri korokereria Abasae nabo igo ba keep busy.
All right.
Maybe through job employments koba maybe no ebyombe koba create ebyombe na ebyombe magana uwezo fund baba funded basaba bebe kama se bikundi mbali ndogwate youth fund se constituency level so that ba apply ba chaka che project erinde batike koba idol.
Yes.
Batiga magana ayo boibi.
All right. Umwanchu mulike kine yakalogia kole kana kyo boibi ase chinyomba chiabuno chidoka chiabuno kuroma batigoro abantu basoba ibebinto na ritwa konetende bon tutiganayo. Amos twarore buna Abasa bange ngotema bari kurigiye birugo byoborai abange mbari konyora. Aso kurigire kwa ona roche bikoro byobasire binge toroche n'Abasae. Roche Abasae bacho ali bagari yabene kubwatira ni kwa sensemo yoborai anemo nebane county nebane ward or constituency.
Moralia, I want to say this.
Yes.
Number one, it's so bad. As a PGR canalero, abantu bakubire bintu. No muntu kubire bintu ne tajiga sia wate. Niga ojiga sia wote, naso aso bonjireria. Ege korokeri neke besana. I criticize that act. Nari gusabaiga. Tuna abantu baitu banyakwe. Number one, security inaanza na wewe. If you have any business within Nyakwe, at least tema to our room to work.
Okolenda.
Number two, that the Gambia Muna so the CCTV. And the way to what the Mundo Kolendra, no what the CCTV. That way, at least the Mundo or Canali, I'm very sure I went to go what. You get it? She leave on Kaziaki. And I want to say this Abasa and Dota Merenga, no Kukuruguela, so no Talikwa. In Kenya, Togoli Kamandons.
Amen.
Ekerega sieta yo ngo de chingu na boso mugundo okole obuli I've seen that na na boko lino mubuli omote nkarigi kabeza kake so kabeza hando utagere ndike obujule as I'm speaking about the besha nyako nanya koli kwande Tari muntu ngete bese ngachakira. I started from Mukoyo asia mjengo kibarua nilikuwa napata. Ikisave kidogo ngachakira biashara. Anje nyendenga bono gastio ngende kuiba nanga sai nindo. Maybe ngishikwa ufungwe ama uliwe. So tigaba sai bachinji birenga babate bibe kwere ntu mugoro agorobolimi anye kibarua nkeyo something else that you can do yako yatereke ndiki ama pato. Ebintu bikusukuma abantu aba baje ogorobolimi. Nne bilimo akona ne cheso ne yakire kutumuka kibese oro muntu okanda kwaka jigari kwaliyo kwaya wonje chikoso wakai mane kwanga diangi tena lanta kai garo sinyona ni banjo njiko temero
senindi
gambling does not pay umuntu wajiye kwenda kugamba for what reason
kwanda waka karondo wateme puli
tiai
watema avieta wateba
endega yiruka
endega nyaryoki
moto ruka diga bono onu jigari kandu
orengere dinkyo kuiba
aranga dinkyo kuiba mambe nyorebe ese uchukuirania yobude ngwanya gutia anjagara
and kwali yewo
at the end of the day ni ku haribu maisha yetu point number 2 no yababa sai bakoroka na gutura such kind of challenges that involves why can't we try to include youths into the government so that eba muraba bande usabasa bande bariska banyo an example anya Brian is a youth like me abero mugambi wananjina bango
aboko
maybe a good example because ntonya kuna youthful leader
what do you think that of ati omurayo moke asino ene chinsemo on even from the world levels ingi tukeko gara tutekonyora baraya bake osaba saya bake ko igwemeremo mono kora
nate bantu bwatembu gutentu nabakusi umuntu yatanga family eri muratanya kuko utakurwaria because of the family background.
Yes.
Number 2 mtu nabasaye you have not had enough money ntwara osibese kisa ino agurikora urarigiri chikura kiagara no kwanda ku register party oligie ticket ojo so wabono so se ballot it's expensive we are now ngeko ligibono chi campaigning material posters ni ebintu ebyo ko ibira basaya bange koraki utina kubolie ko. Number 2 hurting our parents akire mwanyo la young man akori chikura with a vision kindly support this person either with or without money. Ekiaga even from the Bible David was very young.
Yeah.
Kira jitu kuwanese ngibongo agabe kuwana ene chiomba polisi. Lakini at the end of the day ojo umuntu ogwetese iyo David. David became a leader. Na ndo burainya sawo ko. You never know, somebody can be very young lakini yakira mutana anyasai. So I want to tell people na kibura imbulinga muntu bogaka. And number 2 nentu na basai tuone ube. Naona ni kama wanatulemea.
Lakini ntokote wanawalemea tusikurigana na bakichukura abange na basai.
Yes.
Watawalemea aje na kibara abengere na kibara akora because abasae muisokote yana bono ntubuna abasae twa sokiro sem Brian kuma kazuri chukura na abange muri na umoko mochora kwama yakonyora abasaba no baho kole campaign kotera muhaka gete nere byika neki abasae muragambe ekera abasae mweka ini muko campaign liya bagaka.
This is what I was saying. And then na kwa nige kumugani abasai because of that poverty because of lack of job na mwate vile ekiringa kichukua yekire tunaangalia pesa number 1 kama akanyora this elderly person maybe is a retired officer wakoriga for maybe 30 years
oritajire
yes a lot of money money influence yame ujasabasa abasai bakurangi babe kwe miti mama ko bono musabe to support
ngiabwate arabaji kuligereria ngiabwate
arabaji kuligereria mayana ngiabwate mama na kwa this young man oyokubunga ngiabwate he has an idea that to be able to practice can bring money an idea keko tumekubiya can bring employment to these young people also as a good example I want to tell you
yes.
My brother Brian here was supporting the area MC very serious alimkambenya is my friend
yes
timwa nginga ngoba kitu
no is it true tikabura ni atabera mangana ina is it true
so after the campaign today I think I saw go free abako ndege maana nowhere in that office I will appear
ngokwana turayu aitiga turatigayu ayu ngonya murekera tore chinsemo chinde baadaye tumese no bwate niyo yorenga I don't know ine ngana baletera SMS ko ndo yunto nyekere chinga kichinde Brian.
Yes sir.
Aivie ka no musana nde na igule ngana na nkwa bete ko ba oyo mobali ba campaign sana asa bali kurigie birogo ngiye kwera otabwatire tio musao moke asoko nyara kumusira kagima anyare ko irekero geke iga kyoborai Amos ko ligale ngekero geke ngiyo tatenete na Amos andako karatu ko skucha semen
mbia mono moralia mbia mona series wali elio ekera chikure chia 2022 chia chagete inyoranga chikura nchia rengo chia 2027 nchenga kiyo na rengo mokake but my brothers and a good number of my friends igo ba supported tie mora yore kero go bono igo kuru yagi my family banked baka drum e support yere nena so mora yoyo lakini nera chikamokea buna chia Amos 2022
naam
akaba namba ibere ono ekera na acha kubwata liko bono 2022 na manyira magano borai ninki Ninchengo kora analysis ya nenya ko award I saw it it was clear that Oyagi was going to lead so ngatebanga maite scenario rarenga Manchester United yego chesa na Chelsea there is no way ora better Chelsea ko maite nga Man obvious
I gango irere
ono ngateba gaki I cannot let me tora sukie keroge kange na anga iganka tora support yo range kukagire kuira so that next time because politics is dynamic na bego change anytime wono na kikia gereta actually na inde my close links no mweshimiwa Oyagi igo yenge very intensive ndale konyara kokole kuerende go avoid
anyway toko vacancy mangana yo mweshimiwa orase kirogo umaite abange bagotena ki palipo na wazee pale jambo na waseni wenye busara abantu bari na kito mugako yo na bwatu bumanyi omuntu atena kimosaho tratara bumanyi bonde bwensi boborayi andaka abantu batena ki mugako yo etomweri baga namanyete orabeiro muraya chinse oraharaira abantu kuruchi family chinka nebinyoro beiro murayi ai no musaho gocha bono ingikiragere to kwegene buna brand yo musaho kina bono tokoekero gocho kutogambira abagaka wari tuwaraire binte bingi ngikiraga tokoeri bagoto trai
mbia mono na indo moraria ekero igonta getena inde ebe buna ni civic education ase abantu baito banyakoe gosa abantu baito bagusi actually na inde kere togo discuss gatigebenga togo discuss ya maganare county ngima
ne county ngima chiworcha
nyakoe
ya tanya ko kwanna
egento ndatebe asiri swali iriago ande yake se scenario buneyo kero musaye buna inchena eso kirienta gete koborie kero gototebe nyakoe ward no mogaka na araiga
omani tobate teguruna experience
is the best teacher but bono ngo bwatire nga experience ye kurwa what is the source of this experience because na boko nyoro muntu una inche a true example una inche bono na ikire na arachire skuru na somire na inde na irwe birogo ao chwalinche kina soete first year na etu na bore tie kerogo chikuranka bwa second year nkabori na ndiri akabe na ndenka bwa bono likoli lyo borai na boko rango mumuroyo na bwate muscles chokora
omaete banta be nyoro mama itose nkwa etu kerogo ari university okara aiga watch word
it is upon musaoyo it is part of the campaigns ote yabanto inkigekogera bagochore ba brief sali batanya korora batebye because no news ye chito gotangaza kurwa se bitasenia banta bambale ngegari ese ground lakini okoba mwa gwatangaza muno bono chiri gwatangaza aga banta abange bamanyira bono it's upon you part of your strategies ye kerogo campaign tebya abantu ebintu gwakore kurumageka because the past informs the future na inde bono gwataire nga the experience is the best teacher
yes
nchege kerengo ligereria kerogo bune kekiobo MCA ekene kerogo actually getakeire koba open to anyone because oborai bore ese kiwango gensa mono ase serikali yetu ya Kenya under devolution government
yes
bono te chiko banga yani tobe fixed dinga toligerering experience ninyo mogako ya gakora gento gete na gete aria sara ete maybe it's not the word aria sara ete docket ya besa njarengo bono go chare kuomera chibesa agwente ko control ya se word aria sara ete paranchi are korosi aria sara ete namba y'abantu barengo tali barobwa baro barega
lakini sisi nabato umanyi bobora yo manyete
obo manyimboro
na endo muntu uyu nguchera kora abasae abana n'abantu abanene avuga saro yo mu bantu bari abanene timati na musi asema yankikira kwana gekogera inkikira agere twege no musae tomweri bagachi gutora kuna ndo bagaka twaraire tubwa tomanyi tomaete nare nko musae ni matinge yakora so musae wono gondo mugaka ni matege kibaka batageta I know musae to kumengi mugaka atagete inkikira agero oyuri bagora o mugaka.
Good question.
Yes.
Ndode mbona te obora iboro ubwati mugaka ubwati musae one thing onyora bagaka ba what experience of leadership tukatai.
Yes.
Lakini inyora in many areas in Kisii County, say Kenya, abagaka bange mbere ba iruo bokambi wabasinyi with that experience they have bora wabasinyi under development chikoragana. Okay, onya bagaka what experience, why do we keep on changing leaders every now and then? Oyosoa what experience miaka 5 inaisha bangina bamugi mutu ya na bagaka. If you have been changing these elderly people with experience for more than 3 times, why can't you change at least a youth? That's the question. Number 2, I want to ask this question. In Kenya, the constitution of Kenya, for one Koboria Obo Jumbe, anafaa kuwa na miaka ngapi? 21 years and above. Si ni kweli?
Yes.
Haya. Wama wote umuntu qualify kwa umuntu adult.
Yes.
Ndio ushika ID.
18 years. 18
years. Ukifika 18 years kwa bari kwa umuntu
mbona? No muntu mbona.
What age ukwande kutwara koika umagori president?
35.
35 years. If I'm 35 years, ngitaro wenza. Wani king qualified kwa president. So MP itu kwa tenga bono nombo.
No qualified ke miaka akini obora ibono ime yao. Ore mi yao bono batarara.
Ora ime ito these elderly people they have to a time to a platform. What to hold no to hold go to maswali. Answer this question. What are you nice don't look at somebody physically. Now you know mwana that will experience kiobara. Wajiri wachunguzi kwa manyi since I was born. Na ikiri miaka 18 20 30s kwa manyi kinara ko dem ma senguri kinara ile ya very successful. Yeah, more than muntu ra to experience kiobara. Only kimbote family have a wife. Mbwata abana mbaga ambere.
Kuma no muntu onero mugakone na bwato bara no yes paka ba chokoro by the way.
And to what some even groups were for example mnanje many groups na abere murai usukubo no kino giya kiyo bunya gatenyu tambi no murai kirasi. Even from primary school.
Yes.
Now when it comes to politics that is also siasa just because na bengo ra ibyombe. It's because okutukolera injira abara ya bara abeiro the elderly people to kobeka in office.
All right.
The frustration those two annual later immediately after 1 year or 2 years. Kwa maana hakuna maendeleo number 1. Muntu tayo I want to give a very good example within the word because you know what I'm saying hapo. Right tayo tu anako na kutumia go choraba MCA onako come back at now I want to meet the youths. Even in Abalaza, tukwane ndoro ngaitura konyani in terms of self-employment, in terms of employing people, say county, ntwane komanya. Kwa konyanga no rekendi oski happen to that county government, ntutomanyiti. Umwana no GS school, yes papers.
Yes.
Onyo romo MCO twacho tandi kutu wakilisha say county. Tadi go na back at in that county, there's this and this opportunity. Only stay here in this county, you can have a contract your college as youths.
Yes.
Are you in a group where there's a contract when the konyo rasike wo apply? Atoroki. How would you come to know you can the county? Even the binga bini bile donya nga to tubire and inakuwa opaque ndikora mutu ngiya karoro. You decide as you to come to power.
Amo sinda kubuliri bolire kaiga ngwate bamangane chibesa nkwirara abantu abasaye gotaye buribaga ryo boraye. Asinge njanda ke mbara kuna besa mbara tora besa. Anda kendo tebe na abantu bakurigererie na chibesa chira nechinyinge omugako uyu na narete chibesa rigento kageni. Omusawo tabwati besa toise komochora au marane chibesa iga tari gocha gonchoka amenta baswati amenta bakungu asinge njo chibesa nyinge anda ke tanarete besa echiago chikonyora. Kwatena ki anda na wajira chikumusali.
I want to tell you this. Mwete esesembe nembe. Teriboge. Embo narete no narete. bona abagaka na batukiniri kurtura abasinini paka twabire myaka yonse no go ndinga ba mai timbi yaone riri abuno kuibacha desati na kono chiko na chiba singo chiko change onye kwa yenge go change atire kidogo nayo utaonekana ko change ti ndiko nini that's the matter ngo nyo chiko change. Number 2 abagaka abanye batati ko konya our area, our village, you say what do you do? Ama Kenya yetu. Once more said ko be ko musaya say a county or say a national government. Emo bado kumikani for advice.
Yes.
That way kuna go kubirira ngo ndike kubira yobia. Janya kanga kono tu ko mwangu jago baiga. Ngwana ko rabagaka baitire bote ba be kiwekerogo handwati manda bakungu. Siko. Bona nganta mana dengo muasa do mu bega nguja ujinju no budi. Ikiao nyuka ujinju ka change. Ya aita na pesa kidogo, bila pesa ama wiki money ata change. Embuero. Onye ko bera ndune mbwembe. Aberembe. Ego change.
All right.
No jogi no ki miaka 60 ki miaka 90. Oyo go gambi. Still lazima utafanya hizo vitu zenye si mzuri.
Brang nicho cha sore. Ekara toka natakulikiriga igoro yoburai asaba sae. Buna na chika kobori ya Amos. Igoro ya monchuri ya saba sanda ekara banyo richibesa na bakebale na nda bagakoroche ntoroche namba bwata karangara kyoko chikotika abasaye banyo ribaga ngikero musaha kore erikonde nkonyo ribaga ryo baraga ko to isoko tika chikura chigendere gwakwa nako musana abasaba bakonyo burai
yambia mono moralia buna na kwanete last time na indengo singerera gukwana na iyo ne move ndaite go chakime yanyako ward under the youth grid igongo tebanga for the rain to rain the clouds must gather na inde ine ya challenge
we kama racha amu
imbure manyegotu wono tuabere disintegrated kunabasai na ndengo tebabarenga umoja ni nguvu wono tutaichetiamo tutaicheti tuare chi platform chi nyingi to kwanirane amagana muna bono to gukwana I'm very sure abantu abange batoligeretie inambe nene na abantu abagotu because yabasaye bono igambale maybe it's a weekend ngwego kibakale
abakale gotumaria
abakale gotuma abange nambe nyingi tari bonse bono we must come together kende gyonsi kerege gokorwa igo gegokorwa n'abantu bare amo unity should come first titoko tebanga tonya goteba ningaga iganga toliginga to choro mosai because a time will come siasa echingo ikachire onyore yo mosai tutaite tobeko mosai bachire babere bakoborie kerogeke gose batatu gose bane abasaye bare bonse ngakitogokora ongendri tu achetamo tuebege tamo tokakwandira na tokatwara chisemina mbali tokatwara ebyombe au byabasaye totwara musimamo yomonga this time Brano Goro this time Amosonsongo togotene it will be better bono nchenge ntongo singerra is unity na indege ntoki yakabere tigatose mani totwara masikani ditangani totwara masikani gochi kerase yani elinde ile to change kwara egento muneke twakwandira se topic entangani gaiga kyobo ibi tutigamagana ebinte binge bire bigo to usekanisha no boibi kwanyora basaba bange babwatiri gochia bono nakige kokera implication gose abantu abaiga to gotebanga nabwa bagotu baroranga gosaba iboli baito baroranga abasaye boli to bae noyo twaroche ni ndizi TV news oyo bwate twa CCTV no musaye or about 20 status ya kose nabu ababono ebicha omuntu oyo omutumeka kobe marking scheme yabantu abana
tanto bonse
bona basite gato ichamo in the first place tutware chi meeting chinyinge tutware civic education tuwe bange biya na litora yenyare kokora kikotwaro borai na indo morari mentere ase topic ya Amos yari gokwanira response ya Amos all said is true and na maena kwana mchango enabo na bole boigonga chibesa gose omuonekano uri bw'abantu kurumage gaiga yarorekanirenga mono nga nabagaka titutaite kworokia nga maybe nigo tutaite go sideline yabagaka ntubuna abasaye because yabana abayibori baito tubwente kwa masikani na ende nabaro bomba takere ko ba represented ase ward ye tutaite kora bono toise ko ba sideline go chakera iga chikura igera rorekane bobe bono gento narenge ko singerera go sego zingatia ntuna tochichamo still toborwenga ntobwati musae oli torochenga ntomo forward yanyare ko represent yabantu because uongozi kuna laana pia achi maybe ngo cyari go to disappoint ntobwato mugaka ga igatwarorire nga oyo igagaki okorire gasi maybe na abeto muraya segete kose agenda yae ningiyere na kaine bia. We can again support him because all we want is pure leadership.
Pure leadership.
Ngara mebe guaranteed nga no musai.
Amo singe korocho musayara akole omugaka orobisia takole. Kego rando chabonsi no borai mutageta magendro. Igento mutageta no musayaga ambe gosena magendro mutageta.
Na bon what we need is oborai bia obota magendro. Murai na bomugaka bomusai kini most importantly magendro kane. Number 2 toru murai okunyora basai. Because a nation itakwati abasai they you is dead because abaka one for example guraro nanjima being don kubando mugaka itatoka so good wono egotoka nganya basaya abantu ikuba beka bya tubanache bya mambiende tukabate wodi tukabate constituency aitakuwa so ekerengo tabiko byo musaya nitakiro musaya nere kiramo kunya kusuka in leadership for example ni kuromo MC yo musaya let the governor be no muntu ro elder. Let us be going to be a senator, to what the women rep, to what the jumbe, president of governor. You go, it take to the cover, yeah, a Konyang Kurura, Lipa Kansa, you was a pick out. You want to take what they got. This is the same way, the reason why, while you're telling about the women rep. Give out you walk out to jumbe, when you have a gaga, or Saba Saja, about going Rabang, Abang, and back on your Kirogo in terms of leadership. We can have a kind of women rep. So the two monks are on your Rasago, Saku Ruana, born on to Navasai, and to good.
Goroche Asokliko, the two are no you trip.
That is it.
As a constituency, and
how we learn and get this experience, and we talk on a time and a chance to lead these people. Have seen that?
Yes.
You know that because for example, ward we say a counting him into Arabasai, walk about area in that county assembly, but at least one or two. When you're Rabasai, but we are getting experience. Man, we never talk about MCO because we are doing experience. Namangano, I've seen that. No more, they can only go to any theory. Jijibu experience with Mutua, what's by so doing, Jijibu to go it's a so good that then have by sending Bagon to Gam. There is no problem to lead, but let's also have a chance as using the leadership.
Do you think about Kankuru Mubarabasai, Valkurma, Yavona Bono, and Tunabagaka, Tora Nkubatarabasai, Koboko, Kobaleta Sobrai?
That's why we as youths to organize better we come together out in one voice to the relevant to give that Nakinaka example of my brother here who was supported so you are supported because it was his time.
Yes.
But it's now 2 years down the line. In that office,
yes.
In there on the Buensi, or an opportunity, Buna, Colegas communication. Number 2, Netabu Taraji even to awards, at even public participation, at to give Navasai, at to be calm or Abatinga, in the county governments in Montemete, Tindani opportunity, but Nibati opportunity, the Ganaga Mura Soy as a group Mokonya. This is what we need. We need to be shown the direction. But why should we elect?
But you know what MCA, Taraika was saying, is that whatever?
Exactly. Have you ever had any meeting? No MC.
You know, I'm thinking my meeting just here.
Yes. Even my brother is here. Nabago witness.
There's nothing
like Siasa. Siasa 2027. But what to guess the failures. Because the Kiromontaro is able to Matias have failed. Nabago and Rago fail all through. I've seen that. At the end of the day, those who are underdeveloped, they say what? Abasa Abnaba. Into what the youth fund. Get what the youth fund. Into my gun to my Dina Gitora correct to the youth fund. Who wanted to take? It's our leaders. We start from the world level. I see what I will come to be in groups. And that again, obviously.
But as in Unabasai, Moachira Muate, one of the Anglo Mosia to wonder.
Mimi,
we cover no more because in Chentagate, and I think in Jamatokari. One and I can Taraja singing Genumura. Yes.
Yes. but we are not informed. We cannot have been informed. I know morally.
Yes.
Wait to see cancer. Whatever what you are doing in the county government.
Yes.
More than for the youths, do what the youth funds. Being groups in big year. I give the direction. To it when you're lakini tu kwa ngendu kemune ngi mudaji kumanya ki the youth fund. You can't know. So everybody can tonya kwa imani. Okay, like now that got the
what you can't know. You can't. Okay.
Isi njubu karakani buwa. Because I have even formed a group na ajiri nje bako jio ofisi yetu to have it chibesa.
Okay, bono ubanye tobo mu MCA umayako tabichi group ichinde.
Mimi nimefanya chama mingi sahi. Na form group nyingi. We are on the process because in that method of one of the group ngarakuba mindombe katiki. Biro. Saya I'm speaking, I'm leading more than 5 groups. Abantu bambege to mu advice of.
Yes.
The effects are safe to awake baka certificate. Jiro bonaiga. You have registered all these groups. One process no yakoroki what. Abantu even applied. Uwezo fund. Echigomo tumbe aina ni table is only to some groups. Because I'm hoping that the next shift will be part of these people about to benefit because we have done the applications.
All right.
Mimi Munamos. I said me Roma. We so go na youth never got there. I'm always trying to advise them. When you could be my brother can tell you.
Yes.
I'm a very good advisor.
Are you doing that because you already get to go 2027 or so are you doing that?
No, not because I go 2027. I even started these things I live in before I'm trying to go to school. Number one, what I want to see is the youths very busy, even without that job to work back where they get.
All right.
Whether it is Uwezo Fund, whether it is youth funds, Mwanzi up as a group in fine, grow. As I'm speaking today, I have a group called the Noah Youth Group. So far, through my advice, I've been the advisor for a long time in that group. I'm part of the group. You shall know a bit. Mia, to be no attend, 100 seater. Have you seen that?
Yes.
One you get the word public address. Tadi Mujumbe was a more MC to Jangi. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Tadi Bara Iba to Jangi, Nisisi Peke. Many person talk kido. We have a fish on job and that. But to apply for those man now, we are capable. You go on the other, when I go out to the function, I get it because they will go.
Next time. That's my dad, young and too much function. Yes.
Ngutuarande utakono kia basaya baminto na ngombaji ko bayi involved in such kind of bad acting ne yogo ibi bare ko chama ko to advice ni sibika no jinsi yaga to sibika no jinsi ni can be selling and make what
wa musinga ngo jase brand timate na asansemo ya uno musae nkiro chekra nyara ko korwana nuko bwatira ngikora aboro elikone kibuna okwegendere kwa basaye nkororo elibatike kwebwate na sama no busaria amariyo yogo tindia amone bintu binde
Biamo no moraria. Nche corresponde a series wari bunerio. Abasae baito igere very disappointing. Actually ekere bintu bunebinga now and then.
Every
news.
Nabasai.
Yagomate
ntraro mwako kuiba.
Nabasai. Mwaka Bono nani nabotora atebe maybe because of our physique yani ntobwate chinguru kwaro bantu muna bali baenda baso ere roof abantu ko maide to konyoro ta gutwara nguru buneje maybe totebe bintu bunebi but again inchegento advice ko say maybe my direction is that abasaye ababaminto as much as togotebanga igasitichio I could wish abarai bado nche igonda sabarai because abarai aba igo tu abogete mambia tokaminokia basaba chipara goita batorigeri chikura togaonchokana no morali togaonchokana but bono yaikire as a platform mwanyorire ba kiru chikura babuire basoire parliament as chito chire toko ba tax because it is our tax babwenta go to chakere chi platform go sechi via chichama mbali so that tobu ate totuare chi agenda chira tokonya bono tigebi ombe birose gwe binge abasaye narorande mo MC egete senkoru bomachoge okoru chingoko oyonde narokoremia abasaye chindani ebintu bunebyo bikipo abantu abaito busy naende kero gochakeria abasabe ebintu bunebi tebanganeria egento kerio konyoro omuraiya korangeria egento yani go for PR koro kitu alafu tuliko bwatereri abasaba no bachi inswechi gose no bachi ngokechi otachiete ko babwatereri gose oba intensive
ose wacheta bakaonia
omanyenga nkibakorerete because abana abantu kwaruseti ese bijiji bagwaka chinkanda abana abantu kwaruseti amarume litangani gwatumire step ya rehabilitation kwa baire binte ibangeko bimanage they cannot if at all togo toma banta very well educated about these things baba somi boendere ko ba mentor stock apa na pale oba rigeri chilon so that bagendereri so abasaya baito tikabaye uchi platform bunecho nainda barai
oyo bono kwana barai
abarai
what if abarai mbare sokyo sene word gete go toto word ndions more bwense metere sokya okore project ya basaya wo awi ko bono tutike bagendere go sari bintu
nabo mogwe chake inumweka because amosi otebire chikurupunchire babwate na ndinche ninchi manyete aikanaka
komo sana rusiko toma itinga jago chi next erenki
mbaro batamanyeti bono nakinate batochichamo asoro chenga ko igure group gete ya chake kwasegete nae kabe member warore kabe member yebi intebia so ebyombe mbere bya chakigu without any speck of support kurwa somora yonde bwenzi bono tai lazima bono onga baraya babere reluctant tigatobaganya 2027 but before tutarabaganya titogo ikaranza tobaganya tigatwebekamo no kwebekamo totuarenge tokonya gokora tuganyete ngakieyo ebenga no komaki bono so abasai na omogo chaka maybe murwo mochanga beseri kwale go chigo chiesere chinkanda nyechange change ikeno 500 obe ebe part of your registration asebyombe bimbali so that mocha kibintu bune bye binge nonye no morai gete na igwanga abasai mbale konye bakunywa maru gusaba sai mbale konye bagokore bintu gete binge tariye koba yogwancha kwabo no koba ya life frustrations na bago chanere bwati because ekere kwa rugendo giakorero kerio takeire gokora giakorero no muntu mongao gose giakorero nabantu batakeiro konye naye nabokwe ogwe kusa kunsiga bwati so that obe koko bokoro with that I think abasaya baito nabo bakwegendereri na inde bali batigete chiskuru baraba ke bado I could wish ba enroll bono igaika bazayi go ikabaso baso gati because ogotiga gwe chiskuru kwa basaya nkobwata many reasons
yes
1 ntobwate early pregnancies 2 ntobwata magana yogo kosa gwe fee 3 ntobwate influence external influence bono abarayi go ikamochiche because chibasa libono chiachire una Kisi County na ro chibasa rinchi acha bakase world level so chibasa liye chirika abarayi moko korobo maybe ababande mbale to ikuba korobo kurum chibasa liyo koru paka go chiese abantu batali abagusi because baraba iri bawo bono chibasa liye chialoketi asabana abaito bali kurwa sebinyoro baire chiskuru mena ro chabarayi bawo kole binte before chikura chitarako
yes
bono nge gwakorete genteke tutaragwakira chikura gose chikura chitaraika oakeruo bwe gose tobwa no embali mwabwe etubuna babo amos it is now your responsibility rangiria abana ababarusi ebinyoro baoroki the best direction abarayi abare birogo baba echibasari because it is our tax basoma echi public school baba enrolled with different courses embali emyaka yengerete tobwate muna kia mwasi ibuna kitutu chache south tobwate ne tertiary institutions
yes
chire kera segusi yengima so iseko baigo moraria I think we will have a best generation
ngicha sorry brother anda samos ete ndurentanga ne bochoru bokore kana Kenya obochoru bwara akirwe nabasai mwara tumikire ko nyara okora bakachi campaign ono inki kirache gencherere kuchibosia moti okora bakachi campaign yakara mwatabira abasai muri ko kerogo abasai muri ko burai ninu mweka inu moko batera butuko na mugaso
litangani titogo kebeka kebenga ngoti gatore kokorera bakachi campaign abagaka batu akoreti chi campaign
ande bako bachigazi ande finally bako bachigazi
basi nyiru gokore bintu biri byatakeire netaba ne chigazi yuko moraria to kwa bank iliyo morai kwa mo support with all your resources with all omaite because netaba ne chibesa time is all
the resource
isikali omanyeka ile ngae
na no
muntu nyarebe lakini moyo yaikeire ekenyoro kiago parateyo ekenyoro kiago stimateyo ekenyoro kiago bana mbali ko egubasa
ayebieka tobwa atigazi na ende mbuno so meta we expect na gi no bopie
no egu no bopie ono abagaka abatu ayete chigasi gose abarai onde bwensi oyetu egasi ne bano mosai igo bono ere clarion call go chia sabantu baito bonsi moso abana youth ongonde bwensi oyetu egasi tai konya kora bono goikera bono igatara horoki implication yogo change kurwa sacha kerete bono intwe yaikeire ngaki bono togocha kobata bye bye tuebe kamo so that we can give the society the best
Amos una kwa igura na bodi raisi obochori bwako ruri miaka but baada abasaya nabo bari bagoteba nyarebe tosha mpaka riri bono nyarebe tosha.
I think it's high time ntuna abasaya natonto kwa na nande bia ndisi TV ya jitegusia kiasi kuraba kana Nairobi jikora na TV
nyagasenko
so kwa wazirishi wa nini ndisi TV na wapongeza sana.
Okay.
Kia na ndisi TV ndoje paka nona basaba bakaba igabangi ko uburai kwa taboreka igana baba
kikiro montra bateri baga yes
ni ditoni ali baringa mune paka to the world level to the national government constituency
yes
project ngai ndino bya go change so abasai onye mbararo up to this time go badu bakora but njebunamos I was pushing until I get this chance so that abasai batikona kumbe kweli ilikuwa hapa
amo singi kora chikonchereria oisa kwa cha urubon 2027 amo yoserekere ko buno mamsi
number 1 inagote magendro kangora ikiagera taibesha ne kutumeka. I want to give you an example.
But we have seen no ba kora so ba kora magendrajo. Yes. Yes.
But things have chose. Taibonsi mata baga ka to ko na taibonsi bari babi.
Na ena maina.
Baro bari ba kora magendro.
Na ne bari batari ko kora.
Na ndem bari ba ko ngenda be babi. But most of these people ba ko bana ki squeeze siasa ya kari yo bokora ya kora ki. Ya heri kwa ko romo de chumbi kwa ngende miaka 5. Nowadays even they change it. Life is digital.
Yes.
There's nothing can happen in the county government for any person who take class abetamanya. Usomuntu what interest you for 3 years abetamanya. How's that? You go we need development. In tundu take tumangana nga musaro yo ukoli usinini. EBS yeli tokura jo tax na bana inji. Twari ukigali. Okorere gas. If we could get an MCA from the ward we see development going on and every cent you mwana nje bigese ward ko legas hata nje mungu amate yayo ko legas koreki taragendera timbodi de mum lakini when you get an MCA usomura yo visi ukora 2 years oro tikendike gyakoni surely as we youths abakusiba otebega nsinyomarera Bamurita onye toro obuna bamura na ndi case nyekorera we should come out and work for our people and fight for our people ni ntutura nawo dia bangina bari bagetekura bamanye ngikira ndete count ngikitayo na ndi tutaboriti ngo chikobora have you seen that now right now I want to tell you now what chikura immediately ni ndo chimbe ndete count bitayikora tamagata se wodi if I keep quiet nganye 2027 mawde ndi abantu mate mundu takorete ngina konya abantu
ngiro chakaka ndete rata maganda yes
financial year
yes
ya cha 2023
2024
mambi de June oso modero ndike
a budget
de wo ekore ya su mwako yomo ekere county government ya chite yo mushimiwa arati na ba MCA bai mbaye tirichi ko bagata kire ward ebande ku receive that 9 million ward development funds konturamo
na verego
aya later ndawa ba MCA ba ko including hawa earlier MCA
yes sibasa chiaskiwe
and bono mu governor na 12 million obatige 27 million no problem
yes
now ekere nkoli na ward e ward ya nesitukuru paka so rago Nturara any project ya kodru in between June last year and June this year.
Chibara njira waziri?
No. Hakuna barabara imetengenezwa within this period of time. June last year.
Because the area mse at tinta finamo koleto chibara njira chiaro sister chinkeli.
Murati yangote.
Yes.
Ekereba so etobis. A budget ya rengo ya 2022 June ya rekora 2023 June. So those are the program usiji development chia begin place chia rekora ko tsara ko because eba rosti budget June 2022.
Yes.
Tuwaka jikura August 2022. You want to tell me ngaba no ngoyo rengo chibesi jibabe within place ya kotekasi asikufanya kazi. Sasa wenye waliingia they want to implement kirigia tiketu. So that budget budget ya koroto atebete a few. Ne budget ya inge nkoro itaige ya. Their first financial year ya target the June 2023. Eje kwa ramambi.
Yes.
Within that period of time.
But indi chibasa chiaso account. Kwa vile ba korena budget.
If you ba korena budget, kwa ba korena supplementary budget.
Yes.
Roma yene ngoja tutengana habe ki budget
yes baragete
keeping on promising again to take correct I've seen that
so okay mbaragiro che ase wodi nyakoe for example ya wenta ko retarako
chipara promise ni nyingi na yale kwa nyagacho iga mutu wa bakaka nere ko genda iranda tipanji nyakse ya mission tu sengi setwinye umatara mo ina party ya suno ne yemo asa ko tipanda tebe bonya hadi tipaji akor tunye ande chinde nchiereti and I told you this thing last time e pare ko genda gomba e tigeri e ko halfway
yes
igona bantu baje madire bikuru bodonga ge emne bra twinyiga I've seen that na ndina ko menga since when the government yang yakuri project joko rwavu
but asokuligeria mtu anyorete na a constituency ko we contract yemo iyo agendrete ko limachi paranchira gocha what if treka se wodi nyako
I want to ask this question
yes
kebetara kesho wodi nyako ni makosa number 1 maybe ndo kwa hapa na wani mu MC gosa but iko so bega neli ninki mu wanzira the governor aba ikaranzira mu NCP nani mu cross the county government why should you agree and accept mutu one contractor the whole constituency that means we are hindering development stage go handle indi kama mtaka the 9 constituency about the constituency yamo chiwodi sana chipacha osisana sana chikuremu indi ka agora nyakutieko at the centro hajubena this is a mistake of the MCAs. They should accept that. Yani numo kocha mwade ki na amu inaiga na numo abadirio. Then you are incompetent as a leader. Ebi ndo binde moto.
Kya karumate mbale ba kanete mbale ba merete mbale ba ko mereja.
Okay, kiona ginate na.
Wakaingirwa.
Na kiba kuingirwa.
Aba itaberana amangana go chiaba birabana.
That's why I tell the feelers of the movement to what
not
only from the word the MCU yaito is the MCAs in Kisii County. Mbama I think about Kisii County. There's no way over one thing and we done aquí to a contractor yemo. How many contractors do we have in Kisii County? Ni wengi. Wale mrasa kwa mtu ame contract. E constituency ngima. Abande kaiba guchi. Baji kuibera.
Amosira ko kwale ko ba ase county assembly kwale bacha gukora because amachiko nara etiwe ibintu biri bikokorekana
you see
evyo ase bali baraba kase bunge mutanyare go
but I think abatu wana baraba ngase bunge na bali bare from this region na watu failed ndi wana number 1 as an MCA was umugambi uri se county ntuna abana nyitwa ko chorete gatoranga watemire ekwayengerwa taringa just you are the county government for 2 years ingono kono and you are just following what's happening in the county government that's the feel as we have
yes
try abantu nga mane ngwateme kuba rupanira nona kino ko chote abantu nga paranjira raso because one contract that is sub county ngima you understanding what I'm talking again ke kasinya but one way to say go to the ke the county
yes
happen bono financial na gote biare 127 million each this is the question I'm asking
yes
si abantu banya kwe ward abo bana chitwe tax bona chikucho cha dabo usabono chiara ruroro bona chikucho mambinda chikucho kana magenda tipare cha bicha yako this financial year chiremiri
yes
to aso another financial year
na ndi cha bigre budget
na ndi cha bigre budget bona so na ni kuibia wananchi so we need to come out but ya ndike ma iko ikiro kina akandi tikatokore reke maene our area MCAs those are our leaders they should come out and tell us why did they accept utora one contractor as a sub county ngima number 2 abono tutara ikeru because of one contractor in a sub county tutara ikewa na magendera hii pesa yetu tutaenda wapi ndika ajibe sisi chikora magendera this is what I'm asking
yes
mimi sina ubana mtu mwenye kwa leadership but tutema kumusukuma na yakadeki kiama ngane county tonyoroba
all right Bran, back to you. Andake ayuno musama tabona tora rikikero gotora so siasa lakini ogendete kubwati asobware. Asokulikere kwao kati iye abarai bali bara obisi na bali bara isiko. Oroche na asakara magendra taraba. Should we blame umura yorobisi na taraba magendro osetu bantu go blame eserikali iyo taraba gatokanda kachibesa eserikali iyo taraba authorize gatie bintu go just word.
Biya mono moraria na inde. Ne bagwate birenga etinda ari kikeroko batio maete oborai ko borkerase nara beiro morai na inde teri garanti ngabono nindi gekero geke kyanya ko award abantu no bakwa mwanga ki noyo tutagete, because if people endorses you you are fit, then you are fit. Bono inga kichinga kinchike buna whatever sobware bono gokoidaneria asama genderero blame oikeche ekere toko blame gosekere toko beka makosa oikatotware a reason abo bagoteba botambe gose evidence bono ebibyonsi togo kwana igo togo kwana egento kero kero roro na bono igana na torangeri wase coach we can respond maybe or me I can respond so onge scenario kerenga serikali etakire kubwato kachibesa ya delay iri gose yangire kubwato kachibesa blame ge kwenda serikali but bono serikali ninki serikali mbona nayo tuachoret abara ina butu achoret at the ward level tukachoro mo MCA at the constituency level tukachoro mo jumbe at the county level tukachoro mo governor tukachoro mo senator tukachoro mo women rep nationally tukachoro president bono intwe bona bono for example nyakoe ward gosase ward ende yonsi amagenda rata iyo intwe ti teribia gose itsawara iti gotataka komanya nga ninki nga ne serikali yangere kubwato kachibesa because we have a representative orese parliament orese assembly okonyora chi allowance okogenda daily obwate chi allowance chionsi chi como facilitate mbako ikaranso tegere motion onyeti osonye yeri ama chiko baya rosi bono we are guaranteed ntotakeire kobolia ama swali anga muna ibono abarai abatobege tobisi keregento kerioko igukorwa se ground gosamanda mana abeire gosekende yonsi ki abeire na bwo batakeire ko answerable bono for example whatever umuheshimiwa gose Amos akwanire gaiga ntobwate ekwerende county yaito ya Kisii na inde bono yabeire changamote enene asabantu baito twaligereire ko roranga kitwabekiro morayo bisi nechipara morayo ndebwensi goso mu MCA twamotomire nechipara okay bono e contractor ne yemire se sub county ochakire kitutu centro gosebo gisero gosebo no ile igare nyatieko it's okay we put that aside does it mean bono kende ngiyo kira korekane gutatiga chipara omo MCA igare in charge of ECD ECD ngikegendret we've never seen any meeting nchena nya korese constituency ngima chi ward chichito tobwate yo mo MCA na bali mba ECD okay kuaga chirekeras what is your closeness with these students, with these teachers of ECD, because now you represent them bon abara ibaito na boto kwenta ko blame because they are our representative
igo mba tamere chibara
yamba
ke kara magendro ka chibara
magendro tari para chi okomoraria to bwate market nyakoe ward we have a market you are shared with nyakoe and Bogeka what have you done inchi gwa korra se market here because it needs an expansion market yeriteri fully equipped ingikwa kore into bwate chinya gitari chi dispensary we have Kyoge dispensary went ko allocated money because the last time I checked na rocho mo MC yoko tebanga na bwate o allocated we o irupake BQ ya eti we ekwerende ya Kyoge etakere korosi webe maternity what far nga igwa ikeiria magananga muna chipare nchikasa ine kore mukorwari ngo twikera chire buno gote
Chiro chintoganyete
inchiro chintoganyete bono tigatonya gwe kuori maiga ekwerenderende dispensary eto ya Kyoge nya gitari nere yare kwaga chukanunda ebirasi mbere byete tikukiore ebirasi nkere byete tikukanunda echinije example nkuru chioro kieso mfano ese constituency ngima gose Kisii county ngima gose Gusii ngima because abaraiti aba MCA tigate banga omo MCA koro bisia nechi para toganyete kurwa sori no alafu chi project chikorumaega ngakigwa chikorete kwarori project bune yuna igure gose na inde ni manyete ipara ya gomba it was constructed ikaikiko katikati egatigerunchera why ekere wote banga the allocations wa chenge chinke kulingana na matumizi yepara inkigwa kolire because we have not seen you yell twarore TMCH nyinge for example I want to mention Bagaka is one of the very aggressive MCAs in the assembly we have people like Baus Mairur Kurukwere ndero Masimba one of the serious MCAs in the county we've never seen a riot from our area MCA we've never seen a riot from our the MCAs around the constituency
so you want a riot
yeah because now that even to be angire okay onge toraikira se riot waboririe wabebwatiri ng'aigwa ikeire musukumo kiobwate towards chi project echikwamete gose chirio tarakore
igome mukia matopara mote bono na mui mukia matopara mote venya ko ward bindomiraba.
It is in the constitution and that's where we heading.
Porque mukoro bekana gocha.
That's where we heading.
Obviously gaba no obviously omo MCA.
Yo mo MCA kogera ntobwate channel.
Yes.
Ntobwate channel omo MCA nero go to represent. Now we must send him and riot ya somo omo governor in whichever way ara initiate okwana no mo governor. Arora ndamo tuorere arora ndakoreki but sisi we have our rights.
Yes.
Na ande keremo ko right chikwerende amandamano mbali. That's in the constitution. As much as are rightful and are peaceful. We're heading there, Sinyako, and it will be a very bad picture.
Okay, back to you, Amos. Do you support what your fellow youth yagote na ikigetegeta bono bintumbira akuruno korobekana go komotegerete?
Umanyete. Ekere kwa bwatre ni wase. Ikokure na igotobero.
Yes.
Onyu mwana nchi. Onya kwa word for example. Gure nga amefinywa. Kuna mada hajafanywa vizuri na individual ndikoga unaona mada tiwe sivike 27 million ni nyingi sana. If you go for 2 years sitarakora kindi hiyo ni pesa yetu. Why can't we come out kutukura tena mtu wake usijagari chiaire because we may not ever know awanya naone government kama etiko se ndi because allocation ya beki in the different departments of the county government maybe oyo kuwakilisha yeye ndiye ajenda kusema ndete taraji kuoyi kwa bege wesi miene yawe ndio turande kunyikuroro mutataje ukoreta yenda kuoyi okaniwe mutulwa abanyi twagutumete tumana kwari ne tuwa so that tumana ki umuntu mbere mugaba kuse department yeyo maybe kama ni ya roads ama education tujue
but bono okay almost chakere number 1 amangani chibara MC tiri kwakana contractor number 1 Ere tuno report yako likana ki the roads have been done yes or no asaini gari governor yako na gari anya kakotuma bante ground bachibali gari barane korre chibachi soka se contractor.
Yes.
On education to araji basari nchi aletwa with the MCA. So what is this that mogote no MCA tarakora?
I want to tell you this.
Yes.
Number 1.
Yes.
Mumuro mtunagora mangana ECD. ECD classes in Jagora allocated each and every ward in JRC.
Yes. Era gata yambige ndreta koroswa bibere.
Tori bige ndreta. I want to tell the truth. Bayan tijago so the list ya koroki. Ni ile mambo na kisiasa mtu anajificha. Nyakwa ward we had only one class.
ECD.
ECD. What would the county government find out?
Ah, the nature era koroswa wombi tato.
Okay, yore cho ya kanuna. One toilet, one class.
One class.
Why do Bogeka has 4?
ECD classes.
ECD classes. Ndogo sana. In terms of population.
Yes.
Why do Bogsero? Ebwate brasi bine.
ECD.
Handike ko buya mangonyo tera mangana politics. Omo MCO de openly pako ko dira dinga baka ko kana era de SSID ya UPA. Ke do ko manage party bo. Ya na ngani kama akoi mulengo ingine.
Yes. Unasema book.
Hiyo ingine. Why does he have ebrasi bine? Oyo itora zimio. We support the county government at all grasek.
What do you think? Asokuligere kwa. What do you think?
To me, I want to tell you.
Yes.
Our area MC is very busy doing his own business. Honestly. The time we go to Abuja counties are up. Have you seen that?
Yes.
The person who went to cover assistant here, I am telling you today, the personal assistant here, who went to come Konya, even no more device. Have you seen that? That's also a personal assistant. He's busy campaigning for the aspiring MP. Have you seen that? 2027. Bono onyo kare busy campaigning jumuina. Na anakula mshahara ya watu wa Nyakwa ward, akuli tax ito, ata yokola sikuwa mwete. So don't you think you are heading to the wrong direction?
So do you think that's why abantu banyakwa mutara nyora magendro?
For example, a good example is Brazil now there. Uma take regen to go back. As a county government.
Yes.
But no one way taking to South India to go back.
Because the MCA is a agoteba reno muntu bwara time. Down.
The thing the big website. One you to tell me ya Jeremiah. Ngo bakanira turage taribo. Omuntu orisiko no yorema. You text the bigger share.
Kanza no muntu la senda gere.
Bona ngo the glass bikere bya ko mbarengo. Erne pie ya de ko there. Abantu akanga kwa wodi adigego. Akugade batigere. Ndi wonene tadi atuwani tukanyora. If itu wanga kutuwana ntunyo ebinte bi just our tax. Angepata kama ni 2 ama 3. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Number 2. Eke toko nyora more classes as a word. The importance is this.
Yes.
Aba murambara aba sayaba yeto akorire mangana izibigasi cyamba boko. tutabwati gasi class kisi kwa katukanunda KCD abako no muntu utware contract yali apa muraba ali kugalo sinabangina yabaje ndo jamaje
basombira maje
kiko ajusiara uzikio the same that source of employment ya very created for a bit of time I've seen that
yes.
You got muntu ujukale ujukuyo matura atiru ujukuyo senja akare abere busy you go as tax yetu tutakora sikuru
yes
that way I'm telling you number 2 not only classes enya gitari ye my brother kwa naiko kioge dispensary
yes
earlier last year eba to tete ba bigile 4 million jokro sinya gitari up to date nothing has been done mwako nisha
kioge dispensary
tebu atine yabane njire ku chio njire ko gande siku inya gitari haiko boni gwande gitari yeyo yabe nobwiri wando pimu gari boni yo to musiku kukura mariyo none pana nesi lab wezi pata bono chibesi gaitia tiete up to date za koregas ndobote polytechnic ere mata kio ebonte ko empower the area the bana babaguru with the surrounding batanya wa afford ko kia mwasi kusenyawe lakini ndobote polytechnic ya gati tukali acha kuturumo jumbe oyo mu senator mumai ili anzishwa pale
yes
saa hii jipasa ni nguvu kuchira lakini ndio ni school yeyo tebwati bana because of what chibesa ne uzicha begeto enege project run at the county government omwe msio ya teto bege 2 million to improve that facility gira bana kwa basoro up to date work imeisha have you seen that
yes.
Na ngote baba wana ndio mnebi we have had failures in our area MCA
yes.
I'm calling upon him batabu kukuru sibaraire batakorera mugendo that's all we need nothing else imyake that that usebere what tuone maendeleo ikifanyika
Are you saying this because kwa ekeroge ta kenyorete wono enchero kuligijo guserize the area MCA?
No, what I'm saying is the truth. Ingekuwa propaganda ndio mngesema kwamba ngora propaganda just because tekero. Let him do the work. Wananchi wataamua kama watamrudisha. Kinda amwe kuponde chikura. Waamue watanipatia no problem. Kinde genga mwe wanti diko boli ya. Somebody can go on because me the one chikua kwa ule the what you go through you understand.
Yes.
Kinya nganga bole mumboro boko bole. Wobira daga jinu bole kura. Inga kego ika
ostora akandru chikubuli
ndakana lakini kake ikera ike origere we bona abantu bande haya matina kuja ndanda afadhali bona kama katabu atema orenga kuna matumaini I'll come out lakini kwa ranga there's no matumaini kosengo raya dani good people are talking good about the sitting MCA why should I be competing again tutajikubu you understand what we need to do to see amagenda what we need to see anya kabaga atokira county yali abasa betu gusaba abantu betu gure gure banyora kabaga I think that because you cannot tell me koru emyake ebiro space with the county government bantu bana kolika I think that anya baliki ngori unyaka na boyo
kumanya andake na buranyora nsema ya abantu bara ayetemira mutamanyete because amos na botamanya ni ngori kirwe lakini na matiri ngairere
bali kiru they are just a few members bali bibiri bitangani bijoko nyoroko uno mu MCA and bali kire within Basioka. When I talk of Basioka is the people from one family side who ask and find out. I am so painful konyo somebody orita the Moisonde who do the evidence ingo they wanted to mention the name akarita ya Moisonde are the teacher retired teacher tara rabi no ngena ubuwa ikuru alita itabe is kubuwa ino compound nera bone na ande secretary basa dio kwa we are heading to a person who is the chairman is a red cousin montore boni obisi nera mo secretary first cousin how in that no bra watch or to be say family abandi baja weekend
but asokuligereria engane yega abantu mbali kirkurwa chi location mbali omwe msio na kolete balancing yo kulika abantu kuri location mbali
okay onye nje kungainiria my brother ogorizia can tell you abantu mbali kuri location mbali ibo bali kuri location mbali
mazo goro na bata te basenga njira kolete campaign tairiga asi bona ene njira kuligeria
no what I'm telling is the truth keep them pia point you champion because mimi I'm honest man I'm a Christian hakuna je nikuwekelea kitu yojafanya but I'm speaking what is the truth hata kiwa hapa nitamwambia hapa yangu mtabaga maleta wewe no mumanyite no because it's up again to get in the public domain it's known how is that when the go change mimi nebi
so the problem no muri kuri ko the problem amagendro mujano no riga
even that my think of MCA.
Oh no, okay. Mumurumi no isoma like another person. Onya na qualified konyole gasi regardless mumurami. Kumutiga oyo mumurumi ndo na qualified konyole gasi nchindi kumonto otali qualified ina abantu mbata no moiri.
My brother.
Yes.
But
not qualified. The question is this person qualified?
Do you take these political seats just because they are qualified? Or in office? Is it a family project? No, we need to balance. At least no that way everyone can get.
Yes.
Hasn't that?
Yes. But we call for them to clarify on that because one of the things we talk about senkane aina mangana ya musiki ko era na whatever. I don't know na osina kile kole ngana NMC rena mate asinkwa na yo mweli ya quantity na balance it ko abantu mirimo
na bwatetie program iyo moralia and muntu kuna inche think respond because of bitterness because no ina supported yo mu MCA akaira chikura nje na ariko ganigasi because I'm in school.
Yes.
Nje for the about no ikande university tinga kora school ba.
Yes.
Ono ga stay ya rekonga
ai gasi kwa kwa
there's nothing ingento byo kana tagete na magendera ndora magendera gokorwa ka moterie na kurigereti chikura na ngoko boko twaroli.
Ojo muligereria na mangana ya bagana studio ata watu wa matondo bonzi na Ndizi TV. Tigana samu ya Facebook kwa sasa tigana takando mwancho muligereria jenengalia Facebook moja mbili. Ando raga ndoto bwate kaiga sowe imekagima wacha niangalie upande wa Facebook kaiga mwancho muligereria katora seke umbukalia siasa litukeligawana nelia Juma Mosi. Asante sana Dolphin Mora watching from Chisamo Chidia akote diaspora. Abuna watu bagatu bwati mwancho muligereria Isaiah Nyatundo Musongo sio Kimau uti Grace Ongwe nyimba kata watu bwati Everini Misiani chinsemo chamarani face keep akote bana wale msemo cha Kiogoro watching live from Bochuranya Mataro Yonchare Diriogi Grace Ongwe nyi watching live and listening from Kijauri Nyansiongo watching live from Miranda Nyako ndani oyo Vincent Kenyeru kati ya watu bwati mwancho muligereria Margoba ya Bono iga Danson Odhiambo following you live from Kisumu Dala. Mtetezi is true definition of what youth leadership ought to look like. We are behind you, our peace setter. Right, asante sana. Kuna Danson Odhiambo all the way from Kisumu Dala. Mtetezi, akote Mtetezi you are through. Mtetezi is a true definition of what youth leadership ought to look like. We are behind you, our peace setter. Right, asante sana mwancho mulingati abantu bwati NSM ya YouTube kera wantoga ndrete ko bwati yakaiga na Margoba yabona somuru buliga bweke umbu mwancho muligereria ekera togo sanga ngojera kugira SMS amato no badeba tomire umushimiwa ngari simi yani SMS iregabu libon tinya lekoligere chi SMS ibirisa togaiga ekera toga ntego sanga Margoba yabona ime yomuru buliwe ko mwancho muligereria namba ya SMS na kujya gotorikira goetera nambere screen ya gabu libon tinya rego sanga amona ichinse chiga asante sana nsomo ujumbe regaiga it is never too late to be what you might have been. All right, asante sana tima tiningate makolikero ujumbe yeiga ekerotogo sanga asante sana Dickson Chinsemo oneche word ya Nyakoe. I'm following and watching whatever they are saying. It is a bit true. I don't know. I don't know if it's a bit true. I don't know. Na kama it's a bit true tinda manyamangana yo. John Chinsemo oneche Kisii County niko ndani. The conversation is brilliant and it is youth-centered with good information. Right, asante sana. Abaga tena mugendrete ko basomia basaye asencherengyo amoncho muligeria ekatoko sangana ibiro byonse mbigendrete ko myakajira kambo atene chinga sana ngai 15 eliko nyara gukuru mu rubiryo Margoba yabona ngojana back to you Amos. Oyo rigetiye ko kyo MCA word yega. So far so good. Engana ya ora nyara ko tebia residents Wanyakoeneri.
Aba menyi baitu Wanyako sawan Wanyako resida bataingiringa. Wherever murujinga murako rumagendero is better you say.
Yes.
Kwana. Number 2 keto ko robo choli ko jora barai not necessarily vamos. Keto argelio muntu gisere chia injiri chi. Andu na bantu gedi Nyakwe. To be Nyakwe. is better mwara bagaka muna batata bagaka mwana ligeri umuntu uyo ukina kwa jingu cha injiriti na ari umuntu uri mukora usuno umuntu mwaje ku trust yakariki tokora magere magenda that way nande kujandara gunaki why can't we have ward development committee so that these elderly people have what experience batoka in these boards moikaranza unabona chibesi kube kugera ward bazibesiyabo at least even quarterly or yearly you sit with this committee at least mwate abaniki muakore nkimutara akora ebesi yaba budgeted because of money tusaidie the MCAs also in office
yes
wonde bwesu yaje soa at least moya ngikimo wocha mu mune committee okonya muri birengerero igerama rakali arekane iyo no
yes
iko abantu bitobanya kwe I wish you all the best naombea mema afya njema next election motemewe utumika maisha nje ile birengerero bia kwa chorumurai no tinesadia bumusae lakini umurai
wote wana next time iko this time nematumiyete
next time waro ndojunga
iko this time yete kwamba atumiyete is that what you want to say because what the next time
tumiyete but one in terms of amagendo njira korreka
yes
let's not be crying every year because from my god it's going records we also talk about we no move side ndogo ndo fail the same thing is okari abantu baje botore mbungu mari nyakone tamuye musa mtu akingia ama tenga bono njiri ntakora kende kwa zangu ifanye nini ikienda that's why I'm calling upon the ward if possible to the development committee the common time again rekiakoru nechibesia bana injikere kiaja ingine kichakora even if you go for one time and leave kwa at least you have transformed the ward they are asking from one level to another. That's what we need.
Yes, sana. Kwa sababu kwa baadaye ngira ngo cha sole the youth representative want to atwale sema ya nyakoe. Anda kiasi sema yao. What can you tell the fair youth abasaye ba minu kyura batebi ko batkana ne bikoruto areba ko batreni binga mwana mangana nda siasa mu ne bintu binde.
Abasaye ba minto egento ndanyare ko batebya. It is a call ne move na cha kirenche buno goro mtetezi. Na ruro korangeria kwa bene. Tochicheamo totigamagana mange gakie na intu twebange elinde mbura tenya gutotwera butambe
yes
tiga tokore bintu birebiye ekiagera mumanyete egesabukia bagusibu na butambe ngoteba barenga kuna laana ase bintu bitogokora amagana yo boibi amagana yo gokosa masikani magana yechinya sora maite no kunywa marwa nekebese se bibilia kuna laana nyingi tiga twerusana ni asa magana ayo elinda mage maito aba matambe na inde inche bono buna sauti yenu gosemtetezi wenu kimoraro ren korigia basae tochichamo nko babekamo inchwa sobwango mono no moyo muya elinde ere twebekeraniamo ngakinaike ka na inche ngotebanga nintagetegenteke because egenteke nigo kere above 18 na inche nabo tokobeka namo tosoe togosoa gari my agenda will be centered with the youths.
All right.
And again, gego ika 2027 abasaye baito mwaro rekiki aba 2022 toka support yabantu tokakora support yengia lakini bono nainde twakorere koira na so boibi twakorere koira na se chinya sore it was not the best option but it's because of whatever is happening
lakini rende bono muraya tarago tumochiko nyumarwa
na kingo
muraya tarago tumochiko iba
our agenda teraba represented tonyore bintu togokora ose again through leadership ne batari yere elective tobwata bature tobwata bagambi twebirwe kibara sanjire cyagakorera ukare ebintu bune bici initiative bune eki cyakeire mono so through that tigai ntutweka banyine twetenenere asencherere ngiya kubwatekana ne sheria ya Kenya
tiga ntrachi kwera no gocha sora amos waja nipitie ujumbe nere ya tumiro gaiga ninki kiagereta kabeka abantu abangokoro Nyanguru na Iranda obisi yaye kobwa Sunday August Niorori I think irira mulengo mu MCA karonda mutwara semesa nalenda woliri boli iliria tumiro na Augustine Orori ya gatengi kiagereta kabeka abantu abangokoro Nyanguru na Iranda I don't know if that's the case amos amangane nake no murigererio yakoboli
Thinking this world is not there now on the employed then you know.
Okay. Anyway, tali mangano mwisho murigereria asante sana asoko nyarago sangamo na into ndo chibirwe na byachire amosimbia mono ni maete na mozi no bwatengana yemutete gukwana ndete nyebeka sobwango sana asenge nchichinsa
ndete goteba sari batutegerede nataka nishukuru sana for sparing your time mwathiji toro naturigereji welebe tatiyonya twakwana bobe apologize in advance and we are ready for correction.
Yes.
Again, I want to say hi to my wife, Mukira. My parents,
yes.
My colleagues, talking about Musocho, CDF Code, CDF staffs, my boss, Anthony Kibagendi, we are working very hard day and night to ensure that you have transformed a constituency. Wish you all the best, and you are committed our chairman, manager, PA, and all your team. And I wish you all the best. May the good Lord protect you, because you know Mojubu Madura almost every week.
Yeah.
Yes,
son. Ono ndoje rutira maigara ntonya kuruta maigara lakini bona ya bona eroma tena kuania family mukungu bona ipado bona ono kwa none gali friend
yankuania family mwaka nyagosira George Ogoro na yue led na mamo minto Rebecca ngaru murwaira actually wish quick recovery mom Daniel Ogoro, Enoch Ogoro, Justin Ogoro, Judy, John Guto, abasani bane babo Collins Obita, wakili Moriasi, Sharon the Queen, V wako hapo, Sylvia Nobara abo, Rispa Nobare Korunyagisai. Tuko na watu wa mtetezi team murari ni mbwate mtetezi team tigamba sogeri bwango ntobwate Gesare Eunice Korugion seria ntobwate Kefa Ngubo
ni wengi
ntobwate abanta bangi actually na bangi bari list ne ntambe
bayama igasobo
asobo amo
kijumura
baki mbuya mona soko mbwati asesho eye
all right
na inde tiganya sawa sese ni abantu baito banyakoe abantu baito bakitutu chache south
all right
imwensi esimu abeta mono abana youth arion situ akwanire tigabe abe ekiorokererio na inde bali bonsi na inde rugie platform bune yembu yamono ndizi na inde bono next time tutuara basai korua sande
mbia sana kuelezea all right asante sana Eunice Mutwano amekusalimia sana utumira ujumbe galia nsemeria YouTube galia ako watch from Kachmega bravo asante sana Ogoro mtetezi asante sana kuna Eunice Mutwano semeria nendo chagenda leto gutuma uchumbe tari mangana wanchumuri gibona ko kirabo no to ko moria somuri uriwe kumbu asemara ko bayabon to sangira mangu to kona mangano ko gena una ko manyiria mangu we samiro mo chumuri geria una to asangira asemara ko bayabona asante sana Ndizi TV una botambega no to ko muri kila chinse mo chenchi ko zakiraba sai to bali bagalia bene no banyara kurebire byabo ko boli kwabo no ko gani kwabo heli bono to nyara ko bwatira naso bwa montonge tione ntori ko chora mwensi munyali bagalia bene kagiri ko nyara ko sanga senchi ya bene ko beka kirege nto 10 ka juma mosi nande wiki ko chomo nchumuri geria to arabara ibanda asense mige studio nyara ko sanga mangana ukona mangu na butambe nsemeli ya Facebook na boko nyara gutuba na boko monchu muri bono anya kuboto muhiri kuchinse mo chiri America chinse chiri chesko galia andaka agotomere chidora ku Walisco to batete gona tap genda galia as a Play Store monchu muri download app gona tap ijira bono ekero ko nyara gutuma chibesa galia omuhiri yakera ko gutomere chibesa goitane chiri chidora emeronge 5 monchu muri bono go konyara e bonus chidora emeronge 2 ngono monchu muri bono genda galia nsemeli ya Kodi yako beka Ndizi TV, tumeka kodi ya Ndizi TV. Kwa tumere kodi muna Ndizi TV mwanshumu ligirelia, yoko nyare bonus pack 50, kwa nyare bonus ya $20, utuma $50, kwa nyare bonus ya $20. Iwano kwa nyare tap, kenda gadi ya say Play Store, au download hapo yuna tap. Tevyo mwiri kuru Amerika, kutumere ni $20 gabu, kwa itera tap, mwanshumu ligirelia mwaneka kwa tumere tap gabu. Mangana niga kwa moronge mbyamuno. Petrolina Mukira nero anekina kuanyorero gochira chibi chamo neli yoge bagani bana na shukuru sana so kale chenga jina kusangamo na nitwa Margo bayabona tumira ne Jumamosi yo chabuna kutambe keumbu Jumamosi na siasa litera ni Chenkro kwa Vincent Onyancha.